Are you creative? Are you innovative? Do you want to be an engineer and offer your best to the world and solve problems of the future? If so, then get started by enrolling at Carroll Community College. The college offers two options for students who are interested in pursuing that field. One option is the Associate of Science degree program for students wanting to pursue the fields of computer or electrical engineering. An advantage of the degree is the seamless transfer with junior level standing to participating Maryland state and private colleges. The second option is the General Engineering Transfer Degree program. This is intended for students wanting to pursue all other engineering fields. Students in this program complete the first 2 years of coursework at Carroll Community College, then transfer to the institution of the student's choice to finish up their degree.
I'm currently majoring in the General Engineering program. I knew that I wanted to be an engineer of some sort. I can work with computers, I'm fairly decent at math. I knew that I wanted to innovate and create products. And Intro to Engineering has really helped me sort of hone in on the specific type of engineering. When I was younger, I thought about aerospace engineering, and then I thought about systems engineering, and this has sort of helped me sort of look at engineering as more of a broad spectrum, and I could see that, you know, this is exactly what I want to do. I want to transfer to a four-year institution and get my bachelor's. And then I'd like to get my master's, and honestly, I'd eventually like to work as a systems engineer or an aerospace engineer. I haven't really decided on that yet, for NASA.
The benefits of starting your education at Carroll include comparatively lower tuition cost, smaller class size, and being close to home. Carroll also offers opportunities in undergraduate research, which is unique to two-year higher education institutions. Climb the ladder to your career by enrolling at Carroll Community College. Become an engineer.
On the campus of Carroll Community College, there is a place for the littlest learners in the county. The Child Development Center Early Childhood Lab is open to the children of students, faculty, staff, and the community. There are 2 spacious rooms serving ages 2 to 3 and 4 to 5. Flexible schedules are available with openings for full, part-time, or preschool. A large playground is adjacent to the center. Teachers stress the importance of exploration and play. They integrate math, science, language, literacy, music, art, and motor activities. Emphasis is placed on each child's learning style. The center's Early Childhood Lab offers an environment for students and professionals to enhance their teaching and learning skills through observation and interaction. Current knowledge of child development, collaboration, and innovation are encouraged in all aspects of our program. The CDC of Carroll Community College offers a unique and nurturing space for the littlest learners to grow and flourish.
Summer Kids at Carroll is a fun-filled enrichment camp program for children ages 5 to 11. Exciting hands-on activities and teamwork help children broaden their knowledge and explore their interests in a wide range of topics, from science and technology to creativity and performance.
Carroll Community College offers English classes for speakers of other languages. These classes are also known as Carroll's ESOL program, which includes beginning, intermediate, and advanced classes. To begin the ESOL program, you take placement tests. The tests help us identify your strengths and areas where you need improvement. We use this information to focus on the skills you need to improve, so your English can get better quickly. Our English classes emphasize the listening, reading, and writing skills that are needed to navigate through daily life. Going to the supermarket, talking to your boss, and helping your children with their homework. We also provide computers in each class for you to practice English and improve your computer skills. You can also take advantage of our Early Childhood Education Partnership. Your child can participate in educational activities while you are in class. During each class, you'll come together and share what you both have learned.
When I first came here, I did not know one word of English, so some people say, my friends, hello, how are you, Van? I say, my name is Van. Yeah, I feel bad because I did not understand English, so always I say wrong, yeah, wrong thing, yeah. I'm living in America, so I need to know how to speak, so how to looking for job, how to write, so everything's needed English. When I finish my GED, I would like to go electrical school. I feel good, I feel happy because everybody is nice and my teachers, all the program is very good.
You also spend time preparing for the next steps toward a career. Based on your interests and abilities, we help you identify a career that will be a good match for you. Our advisors help you create a plan, connect you with the necessary resources, and determine the next steps: earning your high school diploma, entering a career training program, or starting a college degree. When you complete the program, you will have a career plan and a better understanding of any training that's required. You will find your experience to be a personal one. Smaller class sizes and friendly teachers provide you with personalized attention. Classes normally meet twice a week, and we offer convenient morning and evening options to better accommodate work and family. With Carol's ESOL program, you'll improve your English and have greater confidence in using English in your everyday life. Get started today and arrange to attend an orientation session.
Teen College is a fun-filled enrichment camp program specifically designed for older campers, ages 12 to 15. We understand that teens have unique needs and interests, and our hands-on camp programs provide the freedom to broaden their knowledge and enjoy new experiences. Working in teams on topics from science, technology, and careers, to creativity and performance, teens make friends and have fun while they cultivate new interests.
Over the years, we've really enjoyed watching children begin with us when they're 6, 7 years old, and now they're teenagers. So we're really grateful that we've been able to begin the Summer Teen College program, because those children can now continue to come to summer camp with us and enjoy camps for the older kids.
Miss Melissa, she was great.
She's a really good teacher.
We had so much fun. She's always like out there, and when we're cooking, she's always in the kitchen helping us out, and she's always playing games with us to make sure we learn things and have fun with it. Yeah. This huge mixer. It was huge. And it was really scary to like turn it on because there's these big blades in them, so you have to be extremely careful when it's on. Yeah, we're getting a pamphlet today with all the recipes, so I'm definitely making my family some of the recipes.
Campers may design digital media, fabricate big projects, or stir up tasty treats in a variety of camps like video game programming, woodworking, art, or cooking.
Hannah's been there, has been in the program since 2006. So if that doesn't tell you that it's a positive experience, I don't know what will. But she's been in the cooking camps. She loves the cooking camps. The kids were great, the instructors in cooking camp, and I can honestly say I've probably put on a couple pounds because of it, is wonderful. She loves it. I mean, they're very proactive now in the kitchen. If they're baking something, they want to bake something, they work it out with mom, not dad. And and they utilize their skills. whether it's the younger group or the older groups. They just take to each other, and the next thing I know with Hannah is she's writing down people's names, she's getting their phone numbers, and they're keeping in touch, which is great. And what's even better is next summer when I enroll her, she'll see most of these kids again. They're always learning, and it's the great thing about the instructors and just working with the other kids. I mean, they're learning from each other, and it shows.
They glue pieces of glass down onto a piece of clear glass, and then we ground it at the end to kind of simulate what leaded glass looks like. So they turn up pretty well. Surprisingly, and a friend of mine who's a stained glass artist says adults always cut their fingers, kids never do. So she had this great technique of spread out a huge piece of canvas tarpaulin and spread the glass out, and the kids just go crazy.
Quality and diversity are what make Teen College distinctive. Energetic instructors are passionate experts who bring real-world experiences to a fun, camp-like environment. Many of them teach professionally during the school year and look forward to teaching in such an engaging setting where kids can learn through experimentation.
Being an instructor at Summer Kids at Carroll has been just a wonderful experience. It was nice to introduce children to the world of stage makeup through my camp's Beasts and Beauties. I've also done the Teen College section with my Beasts and Beauties camp. It was really exciting to every day teach the kids something new. Some of them came in knowing a little bit about makeup, but it may be the first time they've used it in a stage application.
Teens connect with teens through serious learning, laughing and living it up. Without a doubt, Teen College offers something for every interest, whether it's creating art, music and performance, learning more about history, writing and careers, or even volunteering to help with the younger children in the Kids at Carroll programs.
We supervise our teens, but we also give them a little bit more freedom so that they do feel independent and that they're not just children anymore, that they are growing up, and their camps are a little bit more challenging, which is good for them, but they're still fun. They still have a lot of fun, and they still like to run around at recess, like the little children.
Carroll Community College invites you to participate in the Spanish Language Immersion Study Abroad this spring and summer. Participants will study in Panama for 3 weeks or in Costa Rica for 3 weeks. Another option is to study in both countries for 6 weeks.
I'd never been to a Spanish-speaking country, and so the fact that I was able to go to Costa Rica for a long period of time definitely helped me improve my Spanish a lot, and being able to only speak Spanish and nothing else. Being immersed in the language definitely improved my Spanish-speaking skills. The best experience that I had in Central America was definitely the fact that I was able to meet a lot of people from different parts of the world, such as from Europe or other countries in South America, and also the fact that I was able to make so many new friends that I went on the trip with from the States. I think when we went to Volcan Arenal was my favorite moment. We got to visit Eco Zoo and see a volcano, which I've never seen in my life before, which is really neat to see. And we were able to spend a lot of time together. We kind of became a family while we were there. I would definitely say take advantage of this opportunity. It was the best experience of my life, and I think that being able to be in another country for a long period of time, you will benefit in many different ways.
We visited Arenal Eco Zoo, so they gave us a special tour, and they also pulled out their python. So we got to handle her, and we took a picture of all of us like stretched out, and so she was sitting on our laps. It was really awesome.
While pursuing my total immersion course in Costa Rica, I had the opportunity to speak Spanish to my host family. What a wonderful opportunity. I made sure I made use of it. However, The Spanish I spoke, and I made sure I made a bold attempt, was not a native speaker's Spanish, but it was Spanish nevertheless, which pleased me. I was understood. People laughed at jokes I attempted to make, and it was very fulfilling and enriching and encouraging. During my free time, I toured the city and the country. It was breathtaking. When I came back, I was more fluent.
It helped my Spanish conversation in the sense that I felt more comfortable being there and making mistakes, that I could come home and make mistakes and still be understood. That I didn't have to have the grammar perfect or know the words all the time, but just to get out there and try was the biggest lesson. Well, it was funny, even just like conversing with ourselves, we'd be like, yo también, which means, and myself or me also. The biggest phrase that we use in Costa Rica was pura vida, which is also their way to describe, like if you ask someone, how's it going, or how's your day going, they say pura vida, just like pure life. So that definitely describes the entire experience as well.
Hi, my name is Matt Day. I'm a program coordinator for the IT Career Paths program here at Carroll Community College. IT Career Paths is an intensive, non-credit program designed specifically for high school students that are interested in a career in information technology.
On the first day, we jumped right into a project. The students took apart a computer and then put it back together, and then they had to connect the computer up to a network. Then they had to troubleshoot any problems that they may have had in the interim, trying to get it back together, working, and then connecting to the network. It was really amazing to see how quickly the students grasped the concept, even for those that have never taken apart a machine before or had worked on one previously.
The instructors were great. They were very friendly, very nice. They helped you without you even really having to ask. One of the classes we took was about programming, and I was falling behind a little bit, and the instructor came over, helped me out without me even having to ask, so it was really just a great experience.
During the program, students explore various technologies through hands-on exercises and field visits to local businesses. Hands-on projects in the program include assembling a computer system, troubleshooting a network failure, and even programming a video game.
What we did is we took some content from one of our college-level web programming classes, developing advanced internet applications. It's really for the web developer. So we took content from that class, and in about 3 hours, we had these students actually design a database-driven website, which was phenomenal. And not only that, it was live on the internet, so they could go home and they could show their friends, hey, look what I did here, And it was very fast-paced, but the students, today's students are very efficient when it comes to multitasking. So, we threw a lot at them in this 3 hours, and they were able to handle it. They did a really good job.
I liked the programming and application development part the most because we got to do more hands-on stuff on the computers. We saw a bunch of local areas that did the video game design, and we got to see how they did that and tested it and everything. And then we got to take a spaceship and make it move using the commands on the computer.
Carroll Community College partners with over 20 area businesses to deliver the IT Career Paths program. During their visits to area businesses, students observe real-world, cutting-edge technology being utilized and get to interact with the IT professionals and supervisors, as well as senior-level managers that implement this technology.
We took a field trip to Northrop Grumman, and we learned about a program that they use for nuclear power plants. And I didn't really know much about network security before that, but I didn't know that you could get a security clearance, and I didn't know you could get paid a lot of money. So that kind of opened my eyes a little bit. It got me really interested into it.
When students visit us at Northrop Grumman, they have the opportunity to meet some of our IT staff and some of our engineers. During the visit, we really stress the importance of their education and how important it is that they develop a strong math and technology background in order to be successful in their careers.
Technical expertise is the foundation of a strong economy. While employment opportunities in many fields have declined, the need for talent in technical fields is growing.
Info Pathways has enjoyed being a partner of the IT Career Paths program. One of the key things that I was trying to convey to the students is that they need to listen to the client. You know, sometimes we walk into a new customer or an existing customer and we're a little bit dumbfounded about maybe the lack of knowledge in a certain area. As IT people, we work with it every day and we expect that certain people have the same level of knowledge. And one of the things I tried to underscore with the students was that they need to listen to the customer, because the customers may not be IT specialists, but they know what they're struggling with. And IT is a tool for them. The tool needs to work. So if you listen hard enough, the clients can tell you where the problem's at. They can tell you what the problem is. They may not know it, but a good interview process can do that.
While it is helpful for some students to have a technology background, it's not required. A positive attitude and a genuine interest in technology are more important.
All the students did very well, coming right into it, and even for those that had no experience whatsoever in taking apart or working on a machine previously. We did it step by step with instructions on both the screen and with me being able to instruct them on how to take the machine apart.
I would recommend to apply because it's really interesting and you can take a lot of different things out of it depending on what you're interested in.
To learn more about the IT Career Paths program, call 410-386-8100 or visit www.carrollcc.edu.
Kids at Carroll provides fun enrichment programs in a camp-like environment. Children broaden their knowledge and explore their interest in science, technology, art, and creativity through exciting hands-on activities and teamwork. In LEGO camps, children practice problem solving and work together to build and program robots. Quality and diversity are what make Kids at Carroll distinctive. Instructors are passionate experts who bring real-world experiences to children. Kids at Carroll offers something for every interest, whether it's creating art, making music, learning about etiquette, history, and writing, performing chemical experiments, or investigating crime scenes. Kids for Peace explores cultures through a variety of fun activities and day trips.
I've been a very happy parent. They loved the camps. I would certainly recommend this program to parents and kids alike.
Join us at Carroll Community College for the annual Random House Book Fair. The book fair will feature book talks and signings, a silent auction, a 20% savings on new books, and an opportunity to meet local and national authors. There's lots for the kids too, including story time and Professor Wizard's Wonders of Science. Proceeds benefit student scholarships at Carroll Community College. For details, call 410-386-8155 or visit carrollcc.edu.
The Carroll Community College Physical Therapist Assistant Program is an 18-month program educating dedicated members of the physical therapy team. Students learn together, supporting one another as they master new abilities and recognize the science and the art of physical therapy.
We have tremendous support from the college community. We're able to get that new equipment in here so our students know the state-of-the-art equipment that's out there, they're able to use it, and that makes employers happy.
Carroll's program is a great program, and I've been really happy with every aspect of it, but there are a few things that I really like best about the PTA program. One, which is the instructors. I think it's really important for instructors to have the background in what they're teaching, to actually have worked in or currently work in that field. They can really get a sense of whether the student's understanding or not understanding, and vice versa. The instructors are also really approachable, and I've really enjoyed it because they're really down-to-earth people, and they are always looking for the success of the students, and that's also really important to me.
The PTA program faculty believes that each student should have individual attention to develop critical thinking skills, achieve excellence in hands-on treatment, and become an asset to the entire healthcare team. Our goal is to educate colleagues we will be proud to work with one day.
We like to set the stage early on the first day, and we do team building activities that allow our students to get to know each other, to get to know their personalities, and they have to start working together.
We all have so many different backgrounds. I've worked in the health field for several years and decided to go back to school. There's other people that have had health backgrounds coming into the program. There's people that haven't, have just finished high school or have military backgrounds or have worked in technology. It's been really fun to have a classroom full of completely different backgrounds coming together and working together for the same goal as a new career.
Each year, the population of elderly individuals grows. Each day, more injured servicemen return. We now are able to save infants, children, and adults that even 10 years ago would not have survived. Once their medical treatment is completed, who will help them develop skills to walk, to go to school, to return to work, or to care for their families? This is the job of physical therapy. Whether it is a sore shoulder from a weekend of golf or a stroke that has left someone paralyzed, the hands-on care provided by the physical therapist assistant makes a real difference in people's lives, reducing pain and improving function.
Experience a night of Las Vegas. On December 11th, the Rat Pack is Back will be performed at Carroll Community College. This recreation of vintage-era music comes to you straight from Las Vegas.
Luck be a lady tonight.
This third annual Starry Night Gala benefits college students and programs. Enjoy hors d'oeuvres and cocktails, a silent auction, and meet the stars over dessert and coffee. Tickets are selling fast. Call 410-386-8155 for your ticket to a Starry Night Las Vegas evening.
Welcome to the Carroll Community College Library and Media Center, your one-stop quality information resource, where you can expect to receive friendly, reliable, and fast service. Our attractive library facilities include over 50 computer workstations with high-speed internet connections, up-to-date software, wireless availability, a current print reference collection, media viewing stations, group study and viewing rooms, and quiet study areas. Many of our information resources are available online. Check out the library webpage. The navigation bar on the right can lead you to many useful links. For more information on our resources, try the tutorials on the library webpage. Friendly staff members are available to help you in person, via telephone, and email when the library is open. Check the website for hours. You can also reach us 24/7 via the Ask Us Now service.